Okay, in this question we want to find the integral of sine 3x times tan squared 3x, and in order to do so we will use trig identities and use substitution. So the first thing we want to do is convert tan squared 3x. We will convert it to sine squared 3x divided by cosine squared 3x in terms of dx. And then we will use a trig identity for sine squared x. So we're going to have sine 3x here times, we will use 1 minus cosine squared x, cosine 3x. 3x divided by cosine squared 3x in terms of dx. We just converted sine squared 3x into 1 minus cosine squared 3x. And now we will use u substitution. So we will say that u is equal to cosine 3x. So our du is negative 3 sine 3x in terms of dx. So then we can say minus 1/3 du is equal to sine 3x dx. This will cancel out this term, and we will have minus 1/3 the integral 1 minus u squared divided by u squared times du. We will simplify it a little bit by saying minus 1/3 of the integral 1 divided by u squared is equivalent to saying u minus 2, and u squared divided by u squared, you have a negative here, so you'll get negative 1 du. So let me scroll down a little bit, and now we simply take the antiderivative of this, so we will get minus 1/3 parentheses, and then so you do minus 2 plus 1, you get negative 1 divided by negative 1. That means you would have minus 1 over u, and minus 1 will simply be minus u plus c. But now we need to convert u back into what we originally had for u, which was u is equal to cosine 3x. So we plug that in for our final answer. So our final answer is minus 1/3 parentheses minus 1 divided by cosine 3x minus cosine 3x parentheses close parentheses plus c. And this is our final answer. And that's all we need to do.